FTC launches antitrust investigation into Epic's data sharing practices. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission has opened an investigation into Epic Systems Corporation, focusing on its data sharing practices, according to a Reuters report reported by Fierce Healthcare. The probe targets Epic's dominant position in the electronic health record market, where it holds a substantial share among large hospitals and healthcare systems. Regulators are examining whether Epic's policies favor Epic-to-Epic data sharing while creating barriers for exchange with non-Epic systems, a pattern critics describe as a walled garden approach. If the FTC finds violations, it could require changes to Epic's data sharing agreements, API access, or interoperability practices to promote fair competition. For health IT teams, the investigation warrants close monitoring, as outcomes may affect existing integrations, future procurement decisions, and compliance with information blocking rules and TEFCA participation. Organizations using Epic should assess potential impacts on data exchange with non-Epic systems and prepare for possible adjustments to interoperability workflows. Neutral oversight of market practices remains essential to support nationwide interoperability goals without stifling innovation or competition. The investigation reflects broader scrutiny of concentration in the EHR sector and whether dominant vendors truly support open data exchange. Health IT procurement teams should watch for shifts in contract terms, API policies, and trusted exchange frameworks that could influence integration strategies across the industry. No immediate action is needed, but awareness of developments is prudent for long-term planning. The FTC's role here complements voluntary efforts like TEFCA by examining whether market power undermines national interoperability objectives through anti-competitive behavior. Ensuring fair access to patient data benefits providers, vendors, and patients alike by improving care coordination and reducing fragmentation. Stakeholders should remain informed without speculation as the process unfolds. The core takeaway is vigilance, not alarm, as regulatory scrutiny shapes the future of EHR interoperability. Health IT leaders should align monitoring efforts with compliance and integration planning to adapt to any resulting changes in data sharing standards. Preparing for potential shifts supports resilience in an evolving regulatory landscape. Monitoring now helps avoid disruption later. The investigation does not presume guilt, but seeks to determine whether current practices violate antitrust law in a concentrated market. Outcomes will inform how EHR vendors balance market position with open exchange requirements. Health IT teams should track official updates and assess implications for their specific environments.